Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this TMUA problem based on integration, and it is also related to solving simultaneous equations. So let's first have a look at what the problem is. So if you will look at this, it looks like an integration problem. You're given two integrals. The first integral goes from 0 to 1 with ax plus b dx equal to 1. And then you also have the second integral, which also goes from 0 to 1 and which is given as x times ax plus b dx. This is also equal to 1, okay? And then you have to find the value of a plus b. That means in a way you need to find both a and b individually. Cool. So one might actually get confused while solving this problem by relating the two integrals, because you have ax plus b and ax plus b present in both the integrals, and that can kind of confuse us to kind of relate them, but that would be a tricky problem. You actually do not need to use the formula for integration by parts. This is going to be a very simple problem. So look at the first integral. You're just integrating a linear polynomial which is ax plus b dx. And I think finding the integral here would be very simple. So this would be simply ax squared by 2 plus bx, going between the limits 0 and 1. And when you substitute the limits, it is basically a by 2 plus b minus 0. Okay, great. And this is equal to 1 as the question is giving us. Cool. Similarly, if you look at the second integral, you have 0 to 1 of x times ax plus b dx. Let's look at this as a quadratic polynomial, which is basically ax squared plus bx. And if I now integrate it using my integration formulas, it will look like ax cubed by 3 plus bx squared by 2, going between the limits 0 and 1. And when I substitute these limits, I get a by 3 plus b by 2 minus 0. And of course, this is equal to 1 as the question has given us. Okay, so now you can clearly see I have got two simultaneous equations in terms of a and b, and I can separately solve them to figure out what will be the value of a and b separately. The first equation is a plus 2b equal to 2. The second equation is 2a plus 3b equal to 6. Okay, cool. I can solve for a and b separately. Let's multiply the first equation by 2. So this gives us 2a plus 4b equal to 4. Of course, the second equation is 2a plus 3b equal to 6. If I now subtract them together, I will get b equal to negative 2, which is 4 minus 6. Okay, so I now have the value of b. I can use the first equation to find a. A is equal to 2 minus 2b, that is 2 minus 2 times negative 2, which is simply 2 plus 4 or 6. So you get a equal to 6. Cool. We now have got our values of a and b. The question is asking us to find the value of a plus b. And for that, we just add them together and we have a plus b equal to 6 minus 2 or 4, because b is negative. So this would be our solution 4. As you can see here, we did not have to use any formula for integration by parts or integration of product of two functions. It was more like a very simple integration problem, which then got converted into a problem in which you solve two simultaneous equations to figure out the values of a and b. Cool. I hope you found this helpful, and to figure out problem solutions to other problems from TMUA and ESAT, please do follow our channel. And yeah, I look forward to keep bringing more such content for you. Thank you.